This 30-inch column is built using Highland stone retaining wall units. Start by excavating for the leveling pad. Make this area 12 inches deep and 42 inches square. The leveling pad is 6 inches deep, built in 2 lifts, thoroughly compacted after each lift. Remove the lips from all units in this column. Begin by installing a large wall unit. Level front to back and side to side. Then, split a medium unit in half. Place one half of this unit with the split side facing out to make a column corner. Next, lay a small unit to fill the middle of the second column side. Use the other half of the split medium unit to make another corner. Build clockwise around the column, using the pattern established. Backfill to the top of this course. Begin the next course by splitting a medium unit in half. Round this and all newly split exposed ends with a hammer and chisel. Stack appropriate units in a rotating pattern for each course. Glue all units on each course. Complete the column using the pattern established in the first 2 courses. Finish by gluing the caps with concrete adhesive.